So for sensory touch, we want to introduce gentle, pleasant sensations to this leg. And we can start by using our hands. What I like to do is long strokes from her body into a hind leg. She can feel this as normal touch. Lulu's had her IVDD injury in the middle of her back, and she will be able to feel that quite normally. This area might feel strange, and as far as we know, she can't actually feel the skin down here. So when I do a long stroke, the idea of this is that it helps, good girl, it helps just tie up these parts of her body in her mind with the touch of my hand against her body, and then her leg, and then her foot. Let's just get you comfortable again. And just shift position, or let's just have you properly on my lap. That's it. Comfy there? All right. And so we start with just using a hand, and then we can go on to use other things. It can be nice to just maybe pick one other thing each day to try, because that can just surprise the nervous system. Here are some objects that I like to use for sensory touch. Use something with a different texture each time. The unusual sensation can help their nervous system to recover if it has the capacity to do so. So here we've got some fluffy cotton wool, some kitchen paper, a soft flexible grooming tool, a piece of soft cloth, and a piece of toweling. And you can also be imaginative and find something else if you like. Here I've got an offcut of carpet. A brush. Yes, good girl. Good girl. And then we've got this rather unusual thing, the paperclip. I'm being careful with these objects. I'm not going to damage her skin, of course, or do anything to sort of really frighten her. It's just something unusual. There we go. Good girl. All right. Good. Lovely. Good. Well done. Lovely. Good girl, pulsing into here. Now. Good girl. All right.